Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest and the only legit way to download YouTube videos without any issues, and you're also gonna get another benefit on top of that. Let me show you. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Let's look through the feed and find a video that we want to download. Let's download this video over here for the watch, right? You want to click on the three dots underneath, okay? Now you have an option over here to click download video, option number 4. When you click download this video, you will see that you will have two different quality options to download the video. I don't know why there isn't an option 1080p, but probably this is going to be coming later this year from YouTube. The only downside over here is that you need to have the YouTube Premium subscription. And remember how I told you that there is another benefit to it. If you opt in for YouTube subscription, you're gonna be watching YouTube videos without watching ads, which I believe for a lot of people it's a game changer. So essentially you will be able to download videos from the platform without any issues, and you're gonna be able to watch videos without actually watching ads. The third benefit I can see over here from YouTube is that they're going to give you the free month for free. Essentially, when you sign up, when you enroll, you're going to get the first month as a free trial, and the second month will cost you $18.99. This is very, very interesting because remember, downloading YouTube videos is not the same as downloading TikTok videos or downloading Instagram Reels or Instagram videos. The issues with the copyright over here are very different because there are ownership to the creator, there is an ownership to the YouTube itself as a platform. So there will be no other legitimate way for you to download videos and use them. I hope you understand that. So this is how you guys legitimately downloading YouTube videos and watching videos without watching ads, all in one video. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.